Alright guys, I would like to make a quick tutorial on how to download and install the Google Classroom, as we are going to be using that as a platform for online quizzes and stuff. So we first go to the Play Store. So when the Play Store launches, you just go to the search area, then you type Google Classroom. Then you search. So once you search, the Google Classroom appears, then you go to the install button and click on it. Then we wait for a while to see our Google Classroom being installed onto our Android device. The downloading may be quick or slow depending on your internet connection, so just wait for a while it gets downloaded. Alright, here we are. The Google Classroom is being installed. Yeah, so let's refresh it. Alright, so we can now successfully open our Google Classroom. Then we have the Get Started interface. All you have to do is to now go to the Get Started button and click on it. So here the app will ask you for your email account. Yeah, if you have no email account, I'll leave the description below so that you can go through the process of getting signed up for your Gmail account. So I already have mine, so all I have to do is to just click on it. As you can see, there we go. Okay, then here we are in our classroom. Thank you. I hope this will help you to get the classroom on your mobile device. Alright guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to get access to the Google Classroom on your PC or your laptop. With the PC, all you have to do is to have a Google Chrome, the web browser. So you just have to launch the Google browser. Let me just expand to the sites here. All right, so if you have the Google browser, all you have to do is to now go to the apps section, click on it, and you'll see the Google Classroom smiling at us. As simple as ABC. So guys, anytime you want to use your PC to take quizzes, all you have to do is to launch your Google Chrome browser, then you go to the app section, and voila, your classroom will be there, be smiling at you to get ready to take quizzes or assignments. All right, see you when I see you. Thanks for watching.